Harry Workmon, Principal Measurement Specialist with DCP Midstream. I've had the opportunity since early 2007 of working with FlowCal on a major project to replace our existing measurement system and build out functionality in their product to meet our corporate needs. When we were doing the initial review process we knew we had to move to a different measurement system because the system we were on was somewhat out of date and we were going to be forced into an upgrade one way or the other. So it was decided that this was the appropriate time to look at all systems that were out there in this area and make the determination of the one that was best to go forward. At that time, there really were only 3 players in this marketplace, and we did extensive reviews on all 3. We had all 3 come in for product demos, spent time with each one of the 3, and then made a decision based upon input from our IT organization, but very specifically from the measurement organization as to which system we thought was going to give us the best chance going forward to get to the goals that we aim to achieve. We were very pleased, I think, to pick FlowCal. We thought that probably one of the primary areas that FlowCal stood out above the others was in the measurement expertise that they brought to the table. The difference to my mind being a programmer can be an excellent programmer, but he may not understand measurement. Whereas FlowCal folks, we can talk to people in the FlowCal organization that are measurement people and can take our needs and translate that to the programmers where we have a much better chance of getting what we wanted in the end than what we might have had without that knowledge in between us. After going through about a 2.5-year development period, we went live with FlowCal Enterprise in August of 2009. At the same time, we incorporated Tested across the company so that we put in an integrated FlowCal and Tested product at the same time. We continued through the next year or so working with them to build additional enhancements into the system. We finally went live with FlowCal Balancing in January of 2012. This enabled us to replace all the Excel spreadsheets that we had been maintaining our company balances in. In addition, having the daily balancing in FlowCal gave our operations folks an opportunity now to monitor balancing on a daily basis as we went through the month rather than waiting till the end of the month for the balancing to come out in a monthly form. This provides us the opportunity to catch problems before they go on very long. Now that we've had this integrated system in place now for a while, we see now that it provides DCP with one-stop shopping for all of our measurement data. We have our volumetric gas data, our liquid volumetric data, our liquid analysis, our gas analysis, our balancing. All this information is in one place. A new feature that we are just starting to do is to tie the location and balancings within FlowCal to our mapping system and be able to plot out the meters, pressures, and volumes onto our mapping system to enable operations the ability to look at an area to see where they might have leaks or issues on the pipeline system. We're also being able to tie technicians to that mapping so that we can use that then to identify where there might be route cleanup opportunities where technicians are going out of their way to get to a meter that are closer to another one. Throughout all this time period, obviously, we've worked very closely with the FlowCal staff now for 6 or 7 years. And while I won't say there haven't been bumps along the road on both sides, I will say that the expertise and the talent that FlowCal has brought to the table has enabled us to make a huge transition over a 4 or 5 year window. And they've been very responsive to our needs and to our issues and trying to respond to them as quickly as they can. It's been a pleasurable experience that has made the whole project come off in a very effective manner for DCP.